Within 3 minutes, you will know how to make the Taco Bell Crunchwrap Supreme, but better in 2 ways. This could be you biting into it and smiling like she is. The second way will not be so crunchy. It's a Taco Bell double cheese version with pico de gallo. Here, version 1 of 2 is a Taco Bell breakfast crunch wrap. Slap the largest tortilla you can find onto a warm oiled pan or cooking surface. Now comes the glorious cheese. Be generous with the cheese and show some love. This is a cup and a half of Jack and cheddar. Dine with Devin. I'm that cooking guy, taking you on a culinary journey to make the recipes you love. Pick a large egg and add it to the top of the cheese. I have 1 here, but 2 eggs would work also. Keep all the ingredients center like you see here. It'll make sense in a moment when I fold it up. Add some salt and pepper. I decided to break the yolk, then gently spread it over the cheese. Yes, you can leave the yolk intact. I do this to have every ingredient in every bite. Top the egg with some more cheese. Next, add some beans. I'm using some chipotle black beans I made earlier. I will share that recipe later, so keep an eye out. Fold it. Imagine the tortilla in 3 sections. Fold the first 1/3 flat with the edge touching the center. Next, pull the folded edge to the center, following with another for a total of 5 folds. Pause this video and go back if you need to see it again. The final fold will cover the center so there is no cheese showing. After about 3 minutes, add some more oil, turn it over. Wait for another 3 minutes for the other side. We are making both sides crunchy. These times may vary. Heat each side until it is crisp, hence the term Crunchwrap. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you a thing and really does help me make more of these videos. Hey, I love coffee. You can find a link in the description. Please click it if you want to thank me with a coffee. Here in the last few seconds of this extra cheesy, not so crunchy crunch wrap, lay some cheese onto the cooking surface. Oil if you want, but the oil and the cheese will work well too. You'll know when enough time passes when the cheese is crisp and releases easily from the cooking surface. Turn it over and repeat. Then add the last item, pico de gallo. Yes, I will make another video in the future for our famous pico de gallo. Let that cook for a moment. This Taco Bell Crunch Wrap, or this not so crunchy Taco Bell Crunch Wrap. Which one do you prefer? Make it. You will love this. Make sure you see the next video right up here.